a professional food flyer, right, for your business or for a business or for a client. Okay, so these are the elements that we're going to use for this design, right? You can see the list of elements we're going to use. We have our background and some other elements. So as always, we need to create our canvas. Click on new, using this size. Now we can change the name of our preset to Harvest Chicken, right? Harvest Chicken. And click on enter. So this is our canvas. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a background for this canvas. So I can just simply come here and click on solid color and pick red. Right, I want to use red. Yeah, I want to use this shade of red. Alright, then I'll bring in our background. Just like that. Maybe resize it a bit. Just like that. And then I'm gonna apply a Gaussian glow filter on this, right? 147.4, just like that. And then I'm gonna lock these layers because I don't want them to accidentally move the layers, right? So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a rectangle from here. Remove the stroke and change the fill color to white. Alright, change the fill color to white, just like that. And then turn this off. I'm going to drag our first element, right? Put it in place right here. Pull this down just a little bit. Rotate this just a little. I think it's the same way anyways. It's good enough. So just gonna move this up a little bit. Right, then next thing I'm gonna do is draw some rectangles. Right, draw some rectangles like this. Remove the stroke and then round up the edges. Okay. Increase the size a little bit. I'm gonna duplicate this. Just like that. I'm gonna select all of them and just give it to this yellow fill color. Group them, call this group the sides, right? Call the sides, and then I'm gonna give the entire group a stroke color, shadow. I mean, to say, I'll give it a shadow. Just like that, and then a stroke. right? Now for these shadows, I'm gonna bring in these pictures into this shadow. Bring in this one first, and then put it inside the rectangle. Now let's make sure it's centered. That's not how I want it, so let me just take it out of this rectangle so I can set the picture the way I want it. Alright, then put it back into the rectangle just like that. Then for the second one, I'll repeat the same process for all the pictures. Right. Put this inside and move it a bit. Same thing for the last one, just this chicken pepper soup. Just as we did the first two sides, and then put into the canvas. So I'm going to increase the stroke for this. I want the stroke to be inside, so I need a normal stroke, not colored. Alright, so this is good. Yeah, this is good. And one more photo we need to bring in is this one. Alright, put it right here. Just like that. And then I'll bring in this vegetable. Now I'm going to take this out of the book. Right? Take these two elements out of the book. Now this is going to be directly on top of this one, and then behind all of these. So just rotate that and increase the size. I'm gonna make it really big. Really big. Alright, and then what I'm gonna do is blur this vegetable. I'm gonna give it a motion blur. Right, just like that. I think this is a bit too much. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. So next element will be this. I want this to be above everything, so I'll just click and drag it into this part. Right, just like that. Next element, the green pepper. Rotate that. But it's just here, right here. I'm going to give it a motion blur. Right. rotate this a little bit and you're good to go. Next element is the tomato. Bring it here and then do the same thing. Keep it a motion blur, right? Because we don't take the focus out of the food collections here, right? So next thing we're going to do is to bring in the name of the company, right? Like the fast food or restaurant. So go to your text tool and click on type in Papa's Pizza, right? Then I'm gonna change the fonts. I'm gonna use a different font. Use this one and turn the color to white. Enlarge this. Papa's Kitchen. Chicken. And this will be yellow, right? And then we'll give it. Do we need to give it a stroke? Let's give it a stroke. A white stroke. And this should that much. Okay. Yeah, that's good, that's perfect. I'll just select both of this and then maybe drag it down a bit. Yeah, that's perfect. Next thing we're going to do is add some lighting effects to this. So click outside the canvas and then create a new layer above everything. Click on your brush tool and select the color you want to use. For me, I want to use this yellow. So I'm going to click right here. Alright. Then I'll change the blending mode to screen, and I'll create another layer for this part and click, do the same thing here. This is absolutely up to you if you want to use it or not, but I like using it, that's why I'm going to use it. Click again and add one more. Right, so that's basically it. Now if I want to take it a step further, I can add some contacts and some information here, but this is basically it. This is how to design a professional looking food flyer, right? So if you enjoyed this video, do well to subscribe, right? Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out each time I drop a new video, right? And also don't forget to turn on the bell notification, right? So that when the new video comes in, you'll be the first to get notified, right? So I'll see you guys in our next video.